can't go upstairs to use my bathroom, so I'm in my downstairs bathroom, which is a box, but I have all of my essentials. Construction, baby. Oof. But this bathroom is finna be moved into here, which was once the kiddos' playroom. So stay tuned. And don't mind my hair, because life has been lifing. I love y'all though. Bye. Okay guys, as I was saying before, there are the steps, still have some things to do to them, and we're about to head out to go get the rest of the supplies right now before the construction people come back. But yeah, my life has been crazy for the last couple of days. I have been living in a box. Literally, we have been sleeping on our back porch, and we have been getting dressed and bird bathing in our downstairs bathroom. That is not a full bath because that's one of the projects that we're doing. But yeah, this is my life. So I'll check in with y'all when we get back to the store. I don't think I'm gonna take y'all to the store with me because yeah, we got a lot to do in a short time to get it done. So I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Peace. Have officially made it to the next destination, which we're having a paint and party. Always had a cute spread, baby. Always had a cute spread. Okay, I'm about to put my paint in my tray, and we're gonna paint her. So to be continued. Okay, we are looking for bathroom flooring right now, and I want something like this. And I think I want like a 12 by 24 or something, or should it be more so? Remember, we putting the brown color in there. Would that be a happy medium?
Yep. Perfect. Yep, that's perfect actually.
Okay, yeah, I like the variations, bringing in the wood tones with anything else that we put in there. Blacks, whites. Yeah, I think that's great.
Down that fast.
I know, in and out. Huh? Are we comparing? I mean, how much is it? Are we comparing? How much do we need? Shit. I thought today was kind of sort of just looking, but.
And wasn't we doing 2 different floors?
This 99 cents. 2 different floors, baby? What you mean?
No, under the sink, going back under the toilet, we was doing something wood. We was only doing this.
Where's our picture at? Hey guys, really quick outfit of the night. I am about to go have dinner and drinks with one of the fashion friends. She's here in Chicago, and we're about to get together and chat it up. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I have on, and then I'm gonna head out of here. So first, I have on this blue sheer top. I purchased this from Zara months ago. I paired it with these jeans that I got from Express ages ago. I am wearing the MAC in chestnut, the MAC pencil in chestnut, this beautiful purple NYX color, and it's marshmallow. We're gonna do Tom Ford Bitter Peach. So tip guys, if you have a shirt that's ruched like this, but you want it to be a little bit more form-fitting to your body, tuck it into your undies. Like so. Super seamless. I'm gonna do these chrome booties that I got from Macy's. Super cute. Okay, and again guys, it's still cold in Chicago, so we have to have a coat, not a jacket, but a coat. So I'm gonna do my denim trench. Okay, and my bag from Amazon. And that is the look, guys. So we are currently doing at-home construction ourselves until the actual construction starts. So, I'm on my phone, guys. We have moved more things. Sorry, I turned that off. We've moved more things into our foyer. These things belong in the back of the house. Everything now is in the front of the house because we're about to start on the back of the house. So, yeah, all the kiddo stuff, the piano. I know we're gonna sell the piano. So, and we're selling some other items. Ooh, got my hand. Ooh. What are we doing? Okay. So that's the alarm going off because I guess it was heat coming from. Oh, cool. So we have one piece down. So we're taking down. You guys can see we're taking down. Let me try to flip this. No, that ain't supposed to be like that. Okay, so sorry, y'all. So I have an old house, and with old houses, most of the time you have the radiators, and there were radiators all over my house, right? So now these poles that have been here forever, we're taking those out and doing away with those, and also these in here. If you guys can see, my husband is, hold on, up there, twist, hold on. Do you need some help? No, what are you telling me to hold on for? Because it looked like it was gonna fall. So he's screwing that, he's upstairs on the second level screwing. Do I need to hold it or something? No. You can't pull it up because it got the little top on top of it. Jesus, what's going on? The man about to tear up my house. But anyway, y'all. Okay, so we're getting these out. We've already cut these, as you can see right here. Let me turn y'all around. Hold on. Okay, so hopefully this is a better picture for you guys. So these posts came down and they go all the way down to the basement and then hook up behind the radiators. This radiator right here came from upstairs. All of those gonna go. And now he's pulling this one up through the ceiling and we have one pole gone. Yay! So excited. So yeah, all the radiators are gonna be gone. So we've taken out the radiator in this space, which again, I told you guys I'm gonna do a whole lot of reiterations. This space is gonna be the new bathroom and we took the radiator out here. This floor is gonna change, but we're gonna take this floor and, good job, husband. And the holes that we created for the new steps, it's gonna like fill in some of these spots there. And again, like everything is selling these, selling this, selling a couple of things over in here. And yeah. In case I didn't show y'all again. Those are my new doors. I'm so excited for these. So excited for these. We finna take all that down. I'm gonna take all that down.
Okay, I'm just getting it out the way. I don't want the fire to get out.
And I probably gonna sell my poles. I don't know, I think I'm leave my, hold on, let me talk to y'all. Let me turn this around. So I'm probably going to my curtain rod. I'm probably gonna sell those too because I think the feel that I'm going for my house at this point, I want all my windows to be like open, and I want the yeah. Yeah. So I'm real quick. I want the remote shades to go up and down. So gotta go help my husband. I'll talk to you in a minute. Bye. Okay, guys, projects are in the works right now. I am shopping for stuff I don't need to be shopping for. So to be continued. Y'all ever been in a store like this trying to make a decision? This is making my head hurt so bad. So much stuff looks the same. So guys, we are looking for, hold on, let me turn y'all around. I am looking for tile to go in the new bathroom for the shower and the backsplash. So the wall of the shower going up, the bottom of the shower where you put your feet at, where you get in, and the backsplash behind the sink. And I am quite overwhelmed right now. So yeah, this is how my day is going after work. And I have to get out. And I have to get all of this done before they start the project, which was supposed to start today, May 1st. But I have to get all this done because when they open the walls, they want to be able to put the stuff in and yeah, be ready to go. So I don't want to be the hold up. So yeah, my mind is overstimulated at this point, like seriously. And I do this, but right now, yeah, y'all say a prayer for you, girl. But I just wanted to check in with everybody and say hi. Hope everybody's having a great day. As you can see, my day has turned into be a stressful day, although this is pretty. Decisions. And I want something that is nothing like this, where in a couple of years I will not want to. I want to get something that's transitional, you know, that I can add a little. Oh, these are nice. So okay, so I'm looking for something like this, something like this. So look like we're getting closer. But like I was saying, I want something that is transitional, that I don't have to change the whole structure, but I can change some of the things that are in the bathroom. You know what I mean? So I don't want anything like way out there because I'm not doing this again for like another 5 years. So I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute when I make up my mind what I want to do. Okay, bye. Okay, y'all. So I've made it home. My brain is overstimulated at this point. I have no idea what I want to do, although I have bought my flooring, but now I'm feeling like I made a mistake, so I may have to take that back, and then they charge a restocking fee, which is not that expensive, but it's wasting money all the same. I feel like I want to go in the house and eat a Twinkie, but this waistline is trying to say, hey, you do know you owe 50, so we got to keep her together. So we're not doing that because we're not having no sweets. We're not having no sweets at all this month at all, and we're exercising daily. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go inside and probably relax for a moment. I don't know what else I'll be doing this evening. Probably not much. I have to take a couple of tests for work, and yeah, that pretty much sums up my day. Tomorrow we will be going to get our lashes filled because we out here looking crazy, and sometime this week we're gonna do something to this hair that's looking a little bogus too, but it's called reality. It's called This Is My Life. It's called I Am Marlena, and this is my situation right now. Don't judge me because I don't judge you. Okay, bye. I'll talk to y'all later. So clearly I lied. Baby, I'm about to smash Lay's dill pickle. If you ain't never had them, the bomb in Twinkie. Waistline is gonna have to wait till tomorrow. Okay, goodbye. I'm stressed. Judge Auntie Sarah from 54th Street. Okay, bye.
That's all, folks.